Farmer Ranch Daily, and today we're going to see if we can get this old Jeep running again. This video is probably going to be titled a Will It Run video. It hopefully should run. It ran a while back. It hasn't been sitting for years on end or anything. It's been sitting for a while. But we robbed some parts and it's a Jeep, so I guess will it run?
You never know with a Jeep. This was my high school vehicle and it's got me stranded many a time. But it's fun, so we still have it.
So what kind of Jeep is it, year-wise and everything?
It's a 77 CJ7, 4-wheel drive.
Inline 6 4-speed?
Yeah.
And so last thing we did was rob a coil off of it and it drains the battery. Tire goes flat. So we're gonna go ahead and swap out the battery, air up the tire, and change the coil out. Because right now it ain't going. And we don't have all the proper stuff, the bracket and everything right now. But we'll probably just baling wire it or not so it can fall out and strand us on our way to town. Something like that. So we'll get into it. Just thought it was kind of funny. Threw the air hose and it just stuck in between the center of the hub and the lug nut. And hopefully it airs up. I don't have an air chuck, so hopefully just with the end I can air it up. You want to fire it up?
You're being loud. I'm trying to make a video. Sure, did you already get the coil in?
Yep.
Oh, I did not even see you do that.
It doesn't have a condenser on it, but it should fire.
Okay.
Does it have a name?
PJ.
PJ?
Yeah, it's Jeep backwards.
we decided to clean it up a little bit. Take the top off. And just a little more vacuuming and we'll be ready to roll. Bad thing is if it's not all of the dirt's vacuumed out when you go to drive it, the wind swirls and swirls it up by the windshield and back in your face. And Drift is happy.
Hey, happy Drifter.
So a little more to vacuum. So we got it all cleaned out and we're on the road now. Well, the Jeep ran, went for a good drive, took the dog to the park and got some food. Let's see if it fires up and we'll get us back home. Hopefully the battery didn't die. Fired up.
All right.
Thanks for watching Farmer Ranch Daily, and if you want to see more videos on old trucks like this, or I guess this is Jeep, but on old trucks and old vehicles, just like and subscribe. Thank you.